Hi everyone, Greg here. Here I am with one of my best friends, Shannon.
Hi.
I've known Shannon for years and years and years, and she invited me to come to Robina Town Centre to the kitchens. And what are we here today for?
The Laksa, chicken Laksa. It's my most favourite Laksa ever, and I come here at least once a week to the Ming Mei Kitchen, and they do the best chicken Laksa.
So I'm here for the best chicken laksa, and Shannon knows laksa. She's part Sri Lankan. She cooks laksas all the time, and this is her best, and she's travelled the world. So, well, this is going to be my first try of this laksa. And we also got some duck as well.
Yes.
So we're going to try that. Anyway, let's tuck into some of this laksa. Alright, well I gotta say this laksa looks absolutely amazing, and look at the big chunks of chicken that's in there. Wow! Rightio. It looks really creamy. Woo! Oh man! You weren't kidding when you said that this is spicy. This has got a real kick to it. But really nice and creamy. Wow. And this came with a thin noodle, you said. And well, here's some of the chicken. The chicken is really tender and really nice. Oh. And here it comes with some of the beans, is it?
Bean sprouts.
Bean sprouts. And we got the thin rice noodles here. And there's some tofu you said in here as well. Oh yeah. Well, I'm gonna need a fork to eat these noodles. But you're right, Shannon. This is really good and I'm really enjoying it. But I'd love to get your reaction. All right, Shannon. Let's do the Shannon test.
I haven't had this for over a week and I've been craving it. So here we go. My favourite bit, the chicken. So tender. Amazing.
It is tender, isn't it?
I'm trying to get them to give me a lesson, but they're not giving me any.
They don't want to let you know the secret, do they? No.
And I like the rice noodle because it's thinner than the rice noodle, this thin rice noodle. So I feel like I'm getting more noodle even though I'm not really. So good.
All right, well, you did get the duck, so you must like it. I do love this Asian duck, I've got to say. And this one looks really good, really meaty and chunky. Nothing like biting into a bone. But yeah, man, this duck is like quite fatty, but the fat on it is probably the best part, I'd say. Really good and really nice and tender. I don't know why I don't eat more duck. It tastes really nice. Just a nice flavour, sort of like a nicer tasting chicken, really, isn't it? So here's the thin rice noodles. They're really quite nice. And they add a really nice texture to this soupy laksa. Oh, I do love a good laksa. And this is a good one. Well, Shannon, I'll tell you what, that is a massive feed. Couldn't even hardly finish it. But it was really nice, really creamy, nice and rich, and, well, not too creamy.
No, I like it because it's not too rich.
Yes.
Just right.
Just right. But thanks for coming and having lunch with me today. It's good to see you again.
Yes.
And, well, we'll see you next time we do a review. See you then.
Ciao.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the